Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up auto power on and off schedules on your PANASONIC TN-43W70AEZ TV. First of all, press the gear button on your remote control, then go to All Settings menu. After that, you're gonna have to go to System, then navigate to Power and Energy menu, and in this menu, select Timer. Now here you can enable both power on and power off by selecting one of these two options and then selecting on for once if you want to enable this feature once. Now once you select on, select auto power on time by selecting this option and then use your up and down arrow keys to change the value you see right here. And left and right to navigate between the values of hour and minute. So right now this TV will automatically power on 12:40 p.m. every day, and the same way we can also schedule power off time by first enabling this feature and then setting the time for auto power off. So let's say 2:40 a.m. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.